We're going to organize our hair care regimen with celebrity hairstylist Chaz Dean. I mean, he was already here. It would be a waste not to take advantage of his expertise. So
because he's amazing. He's a genius.
Yeah.
I mean, what is the first thing that we should do then to put in our hair?
Do you want me to come and show you?
Yes,
come on over.
Come on,
Okay.
Chaz.
It all starts in the shower with stop lathering your hair. I know you guys
I don't
know
use
hair.
shampoo.
Let me dance
I know
around you.
know I haven't. Look, this is 31 years. 31 years no lather. And I'm on day 3. Maybe
Get out
4.
of town.
This is 31 years
That's a gorgeous
no
head
lather.
of hair. Can I
Thank
touch
you.
it?
I haven't cut it in 16 months, and I haven't colored it in almost a year. So keep the color in your hair and keep the health of your hair. So no more lather. We all know sulfates are bad for your hair.
Yes.
It's funny that people are acting like they just heard that today when I knew that 31 years ago.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So yes, make sure it's not loaded with polymers, fillers, binders, wax, because that's going to weigh down your hair. So a quality cleansing conditioner will cleanse your hair, hydrate your hair, and treat your scalp at the same time.
Okay, next step.
Next step is a deep treatment, such as a remoist treatment.
Moist.
What you want to do with that is once a week treatment, but what it is when it's in your hair, if it feels great in your hair, but then you dry your hair or air dries, and it feels like I need another treatment, what that is there's usually SD alcohols in there or high volumes of protein. Your hair is protein, so if you're putting more protein on dry, brittle hair, feel how emollient that is.
Ooh.
It's a treatment. It should be loaded with moisture hydration, a small amount of protein to lock that in. Doesn't that feel great?
Yeah.
Most deep conditioners are loaded and they sell it as protein. Your hair is protein. It's already dry and brittle. It's a hardening agent. Avoid that. Look for moisture hydration once a week, especially in the summertime.
And finally,
Okay.
Styling.
Yep.
When styling your hair, and I think I did this with you earlier, feel what that feels like on your skin. Feels what that feels like on your skin.
Ooh, I like that.
These stay in your shower. You apply your styling creams in the shower. It should feel like, oh, this is like a skincare treatment. If it feels dry, tacky, sticky, or drying on your hands or skin,
No, it doesn't.
it's what it's doing to your hair. What it feels like on your skin is what's happening with your hair. And then lastly, since your hair lasts longer and you're not having to cleanse, as often, that hydrating mist, like Karen.
Go ahead.
This is to hydrate your hair out at the pool, second day hair, third day hair, before you go to bed at night, especially in the summertime, because it takes such a toll on your hair out in the sun, in the pool, in the ocean, all those elements. Here we go.
Chaz Dean, everything we need and nothing that we don't. Thank you so much for everybody at
heaven.
home. Follow him on Instagram at Chaz Dean.
Thank
It is
you.
a must follow.
I'll answer your questions.
my hair is
he's very responsive.
moisturized now.